Hey, hello guys, welcome to this channel and hi, hello, namaste to all. Friends, we don't call the earth as Mother Earth in the same way. There are many reasons to justify this and today I will show you the live proof of it through these plants. So guys, see this. This plant I have planted on the garden bed and just see its height. It is around 7.5 feet tall. Whereas, look, these plants I am showing you now is of 4 feet height, near about 4 feet height. So these plants have less height than the first one, and this is because the first one is planted on the garden bed instead of grow bag or pot. Now guys, the second thing. Look how dense this plant is. And you will be surprised to know that I have not taken much care of it. Neither I pruned it properly nor applied any fertilizer. Still then, it has produced a large numbers of flowers rather than the plants I planted in the grow bags. In one sentence guys, I am telling you this is great. You can see its heights, its growth and flowers also. Look guys, how much flowers have bloomed in this single plant. You know guys, I asked my maid to count all one by one and we found a total of 31 flowers in this single plant. 31 flowers guys, 31 flowers. I think, you know what I think? These plants which are in these grow bags will not be able to produce such amount of flowers in a single plant. Even if I care more and fertilize them properly. Well guys, I am telling you, I have never seen more than 6 flowers in a single plant of this which is planted in a pot or grow bag in my garden. And guys, if you have seen somewhere more than this, then please let me know by commenting in the comment section. Now the question, why do we call the earth Mother Earth? Just like our mother fosters us with much care, I mean like children grow well in their mother's lap, so does the plants on this land of our earth. So guys, I have narrated the differences of planting a plant on the ground and in pots or grow bags. So, what are you thinking? Is not the earth is our mother in this way? Please do comment. So guys, this much for today. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon and share the link among your friends and relatives. And if you are watching this on Facebook, please follow and like me at there also. Very soon I will come back with a new video for you. And till then guys, goodbye.